Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete your Discord account permanently and don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Discord application. From there, you need to tap on the Me option right at the bottom. Once you tap on that, from there, you need to tap on the setting icon. So once you tap on the setting icon, from this menu, you need to select Account. And you need to scroll all the way down where you will find Delete Account option. All you need to do is to tap on Delete. Here, you need to enter the password associated with your Discord account. Once you enter the password, all you need to do is to press OK and your account will be permanently deleted. Keep that in mind that deleting an account is irreversible. You cannot recover your account again. But if you just want to take a break from Discord, you can always do the disabled account option. You can disable your account and in any time you can recover your account. So guys, this is all it takes to delete your Discord account permanently. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.